In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best treadmill for heavy weight available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mention, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. One of the best heavy-duty treadmills available for big and heavy people is the Bowflex Results Series Foldable Treadmill for big and heavy people. There are 9 specialized workout programs to choose from, and you can see your exercises results on a bright, colorful LCD console. The treadmill is designed to be simple and easy to use. The 400-pound capacity treadmill can change speeds up to 12 miles per hour and incline levels up to 15% with the touch of a button. This makes it the perfect treadmill for heavy people who like to participate in challenging exercise routines as they gain fitness levels. It features a large running deck and 3.5 horsepower motor that provide a smooth run or walk. A Bluetooth option is available, but it can only be used with certain apps. Thanks to the Zwift compatibility, you can run at home while enjoying a comprehensive running experience. In addition, the burn meter can even be used to customize your programs. The Exerpeutic TR1000 is a treadmill with a 20 inches width intended for heavy people and people with mobility issues. In addition to providing stability to the overweight user when running, its extra long handrails ensure stability when walking. TR1000 is also a walking treadmill for 400-pound adults, since its 1.5 horsepower motor is rated at 4 miles per hour. Walking at a slow pace on a treadmill is especially beneficial for obese or overweight people who find it difficult to run. Additionally, the treadmill with a 400-pound weight capacity is large enough to support people who are really fat and love to walk on a treadmill. It also has an LCD monitor to display distance and calories burned. Furthermore, the TR1000 monitors your heart rate so that you don't run too hard beyond what your heart can handle. We can conclude that the TR1000 is the best treadmill for over 300 pounds persons who wish to lose weight and fat. The treadmill's 60 inches tread belt makes it the best treadmill for big and tall runners. Do you want to save more money and exercise with a budget treadmill? In that case, the Sunny Health and Fitness T7643 treadmill would be a good choice for you. This walking treadmill offers a large walking surface, large buttons, and big handrails that promote big calorie burn. Though the machine comes with a big user weight capacity of 350 pounds, you needn't worry about space or compactness since it has a soft drop mechanism, so you can easily fold and unfold the machine with no hassle. The transportation wheels provided with the machine can easily move the equipment from one place to another. There are even large buttons to start, stop, or decrease speed without straining the eyes. With the big cup holders, you can store your water bottles to keep yourself hydrated while exercising. You can also put devices up to 13 inches in size in the big tablet holder for endless entertainment. The treadmill is both versatile and sturdy, designed to cater to any workout bod while providing a range of features. This treadmill has a generously sized treadmill belt that is especially helpful for people with long strides who often struggle to fit on smaller treadmills. The Sol TT8 treadmill can fit anyone up to 400 pounds, so no one will be unable to use it. The declination feature is unique. An incline is available on most treadmills, but fewer treadmills allow you to run downhill. There are 6 levels of decline in this exercise, so you can work up to more difficult declines as you get stronger. There are many quality of life features on this treadmill, including an extendable tablet holder where you can watch workout videos or a TV show while you run. The machine features a USB port for charging devices and quick access buttons for adjusting speed and inclination without having to access the digital menus. Having this treadmill at home is like having a gym in the comfort of your own home. It's crucial to get the Lifespan TR3000i treadmill if you have a limited amount of space. This folding treadmill helps you fold, unfold, and store it out of sight once you are finished using it. The easy fold design of this treadmill allows you to fold, unfold, and store it away easily once you are finished using it. The versatility of this model is another main advantage since the user has access to 21 different workout programs that are pre-installed. The large running belt on this lightweight treadmill and 350-pound user weight capacity make it one of the best treadmills treadmills for serious obese runners. You can easily track your weight loss progress, the speed you exercise at, and the duration of time you exercise using the console. You can easily walk, run, or jog on this stable treadmill that has slight shock absorption. So that sums up today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.